at Nissan Rogue. Welcome back to our YouTube page. We're so happy you can make it. Today we're getting a little crazy. We are going to show you how to work your new Apple CarPlay in the 2018 Nissan Rogue. So without further ado, let's get started.
Apple CarPlay is brand new to the 2018 Rogue. It's been in some other models, but it came to the Rogue first in 2018. A fabulous new feature to bring the life that you live through your phone into your car seamlessly. The other great thing is, no matter what kind of smartphone you have, be it an Android or an Apple, the 2018 Rogue actually supports both through different programs. The one thing you will need, a cord.
So here we are, we take our cord, we plug it straight into the USB 1 port. Make sure it's flipped the right way or it just will not work at all. So once it is plugged in there, all you have to do is plug it into your phone. So here we are, and you can see on your screen, it tells you you're ready for Apple CarPlay. I don't want it to ask me anymore, so I'm just gonna hit yes. So now, anytime you plug your phone in, your screen is replicated from your phone right onto the car screen. So now I have access to all of my messages, my phone calls, my music, even my maps. Check this out. It's gonna tell me how to get home or wherever I want. To get back to your home screen, all you do is press this button. Looks just like the one on your phone. Here's all of your messages.
To whom should I send your message?
So from this screen, you can access your phone, your music, what's playing now, audiobooks. If you have Pandora, it's going to show up here as well. I am old. I do not understand Pandora. Even I understand this part. For example, oh, check it out. Anybody that knows me knows Springsteen is playing on my phone at any and all times. Easy access. You still have the full capability of connecting via Bluetooth, but now it's just with the simplicity of this cord.
Well, that wraps up our presentation. Long story short, for Apple CarPlay, you plug it in.